This is the weather forecast for May 24th, 2003, by Mia. Temperature. The high in Milwaukee, Wisconsin is 57 and the low is 50 degrees Fahrenheit. And in Texas, there is a high of 9 degrees Fahrenheit and a low of 68 degrees Fahrenheit. And in Los Angeles, California, there is a high of 68 degrees Fahrenheit and a low of 59 degrees Fahrenheit. In Elizabeth City, North Carolina, the high is 71 and the low is 68. The minimum temperature in Wisconsin is 40 degrees Fahrenheit. The minimum is about 60 degrees Fahrenheit in the southern states. The southern states' maximum is 80 degrees Fahrenheit to 90 degrees Fahrenheit. The reason that the southern states' weather is warmer because they're closer to the equator, and the reason that the northern states are colder are because they're farther away from the equator. Pressure systems. There is a low pressure system on the border of Tennessee and Arkansas. There's a low pressure system on the border of Southern California and western Arizona. They're bringing clear skies, and there is a high pressure system in eastern Michigan bringing precipitation. A low pressure system is warm, moist air. A high pressure system is a whirling mass of cold, dry air. Fronts. There is a cold front coming from Canada going southeast and southwest. There is another cold front going east and north. There is a cold front coming from the Pacific Ocean going southeast, bringing drops in temperatures, heavy rain, sometimes hail, thunder, and lightning. A cold front is cold air moving in a massive group from one place to another. There is a stationary front in the southern parts of the United States, leading north and south. Precipitation. There is precipitation on the east coast causing moist, warm weather and storms. There is scattered precipitation in the west and a lot of precipitation in the middle of the United States. There is some more precipitation in Florida. Precipitation occurs because warm, moist air cools and condensation occurs. Since warm air can hold more moisture, when the air cools, the moisture condenses, turning into a liquid. Isobars. The winds are going faster in the northwest and in the middle of the United States and the southwest and are going slower. You can tell if winds are going fast by if the lines are closer together, and if you can tell if the winds are slow if the lines are far apart. You can also tell if the number is above 1013. It's above average. If the speed is under 1013, it's under average wind speed. Air masses. A cold air mass brings cold, dry weather, and a warm air mass brings moist, warm weather. A cold air mass brings cold, dry weather because it's cold air, and cold air cannot carry moisture. A warm air mass brings warm, moist air because warm air can hold moisture.